Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Capco, a Wipro company, biggest technical hiring is started. 24, 25 and 26 batches eligible for data engineer hiring. BE, btech, ME, MTech, MCA, BCA, MSc is eligible. One thing guys, we are putting lot of efforts for all of you. We are providing latest job opportunity as soon as possible, first on YouTube. So like and share the video. It will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds to like the video. I see you guys are watching the video. Thank you so much for support, but not liking. Just hit the like button, okay, because we are sharing each and everything on our channel, latest update. Okay, one thing, Wipro announced the Capco ATP AWS Python SQL. Capco, a Wipro company, is a global technology company. It is a pure technical hiring at India, Bangalore location. 24-25 batch is eligible for opportunity. If you have understanding of programming language AWS, Python, SQL, you can apply. 100% resume shortlisting is there guys. You have to use the 100 plus ATS friendly resume template. 850 plus family members believed on this, because we are not taking 500 1000 charges. In just one click of purchase of 49 rupees, you will receive all this thing at your email address. You can use the ATS friendly resume template of freshers, experienced professional, internship resume, tight one page resume, and you can see each and everything, how to check your ATS score, match resume with the job description, resume power word, common resume mistake. No one will tell you this thing. That's why resume is not shortlisting, because we don't know how to match resume with the particular job description. This is work hour. 5:30 am to 2:30 pm is the shift. 2:30 to 9:30, 9:30 to 6:30. Multiple shifts are there. It's a great opportunity to start your career. Must apply. Okay. Celeb AI Technology announced the data engineer freshers hiring at Houston, Calgary, Jaipur. Jaipur means at India location, Rajasthan. btech, CSIT, ECE, MTech, MCA, BCA, MSc is eligible for opportunity. Application will just take only 5 minutes. Educational details, relevant certificate, technical skills and screening questions are there. It's a data engineer freshers hiring. Location and work type is internship plus full-time. Celeb Technologies is a very good company. So fresh graduate 26 batches eligible to apply. Okay. Next opportunity is a trainee manager hiring at McDonald's. Interview date is 22nd June. IMH graduate is eligible for opportunity. If you are from Chennai location, you can directly share your resume to this email ID or apply through this link. Trainee manager Chennai. If you are IHM graduates, you can apply for opportunity. Okay. Wipro direct walk-in drive for technical chat support from 22nd June to 24th June. Undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate is eligible for opportunity. If you are interested, you can directly go to Salt Lake Sector Wipro, Kolkata location and attend that. Deloitte announced the 15 freshers opportunity for analyst role, and it is active yet. 100 plus applicants are there. It is posted 1 day ago. It's also resume shortlisting opportunity. Please use this. Must apply for opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.